Hey guys, it's Yvette and I have my Joy with Julie box ready to open. And y'all know I'm so super excited to get these every month. So let's open it up and see what's inside. I love how she decorates the inside. So I love sharing that part with you especially. Oh, this is different. Okay, so this is different. She still has the sign and it's got my name up here. It says, Yvette, hello fall. Let's be friends. We're already friends, Julie. And then we see this. Now, normally, and there may still be some in here, I have no idea, but normally you got like the little bed of shredded paper and it's got little things all nestled inside. So it's a little bit different. Okay. Now we've got, oh, that was stuck on. Here I was trying to like keep it. Look, it's stuck on there just like that so it won't move. Okay. And then we open it just like a present. This is amazeballs, Julie, honestly. Oh my goodness, you guys. Okay. We do have a little bit of squiggly paper in here. Oh my goodness, she's made this. Okay, are you serious right now? Okay, so it's got like, she's made like this little lace thing. I mean, look at, she made this whole thing. And then she has this leather flag that says thinking of you on there. And that is adorable. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm going to just take it off very carefully because apparently you can put it back on and then use that as part of your card that you're sending. Okay, so let me scooch that for a second. This says, choose to do hard things well. And there's always space on the back that you can write something. This says, get it together. That's what I need. I need to like put that up all over the place. When you cannot do what you have always done, then you only do what matters most. Huh. That's kind of an interesting quote for this whole COVID time, you know. This is the beginning of loving yourself. Welcome home. Oh, that's nice. In this season of my life, I wish to fall into every embrace and hold tight. I wish for the crisp air to present the magic of this season. I wish to fall in love and hold fast to every moment of every day. This is my season, a season overflowing with love. That's a nice card. And it says J.A. said that. I don't know who that is. This card says so very thankful. And there's, to me, that would be like places where you can write down what you're thankful for. Okay, so those are the cards, and then we get our lovely stickers. The stickers say hello, thankful for you, thinking of you, and then there are like other little stickers as well. Little flowers. Are those cherries? It could be another flower. Could be anything you want, really. Cute, I love those. Okay, and then we have this little, are these just the envelope? I want to make sure because I don't want to like, yeah, these are 3 envelopes that you can use. She gave us a pen if you'd like to write. And then there's a stamp. I could see a stamp in there. I love this little sticker or whatever it is. And it says sweetness on it. So cute. Okay, and then we have, ooh, oh, wait till you see what's down there. We have this little guy, and I'm sure that the washi tape is in there. It's like my favorite part of everything. She's got a little card. It says thankful for you, and a little mini envelope, so you can put that in there. You can give that to someone special. And then our little envelope says joy. Yep, it's the washi tape. So we have a little joy, I think that's a joy sticker. And then we have little baby washi tape. Aren't those cute? So cute. Okay, now, what I was like freaking out about, you guys. Almond Roca. You know, when people ask, what's your favorite candy or whatever, I never think of Almond Roca because it's such a treat. You don't ever think of it. And OMG. Ooh, I've got little thingies all over. Okay, so I have to admit, I don't even know what the difference is. Oh, okay. So this is regular Almond Roca in the gold. And then this one is dark. Y'all. I mean, I'm sorry. I know I'm on camera. I know I'm sitting here making a video. I have never had dark chocolate Almond Roca. Have y'all had it? All right. And you know you got to be very delicate opening it. Got to think of some excuse why it's taking me so long. Okay. OMG. That's so good. Oh my goodness. Honestly, Julie, if you had put let's be friends and then taped some Almond Roca up here, nobody could say no. Those are like the best candies ever. Oh my goodness. Now I feel like I gotta go buy some. And then I have some little squigglies that I can put in my little squiggly bag, because I use little squigglies whenever I have to pack stuff from my Etsy shop, and I always reuse stuff like that. So I'm definitely gonna like put all those little squigglies in there because she has good squigglies. Okay, so anyway, there's my joy with Julie. So happy to share it with you. And if you have any desire to get this box, you won't be disappointed. It's so cute. And I'm going to put a link down below in the description box. Click on it and check out what she's got. And I'll see you guys in the next video. So thanks so much for watching, and I love you guys. Mwah.